particle of mass 1 kg executes simple harmonic motion with an amplitude. So we have been given amplitude, which is 0.2 meters. We have mass as well. Mass is 1 kg. And angular frequency omega is given as 5 radians per second. So find the total mechanical energy. So to find the total mechanical energy, the formula we're going to use is total mechanical energy is equals to half Ka squared. So all we need, first of all, we have amplitude, all we need is the K. To obtain the K, we're going to use the formula omega is equals to the square root of K over M. Now, if I square both sides of this equation, so I'll say this side squared, this side squared, the square root cancels the square. This leaves me with omega squared is equals to K over M. Now, what is omega? Omega is 5. And what is K? That's what we want. The mass given is 1. So this gives us 25 is equals to K. So our spring constant is 25 newtons per meter. So to find the total mechanical energy, we'll say this is equals to half. K is 25 and our amplitude is 0.2. And we have to square this. So 0.2 squared multiplied by 25 multiplied by half. This gives us total mechanical energy of 0.5. Now this is energy, so we can say 0.5 joules.